In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can get extra materials in Blender and how you can apply them really easy, really fast. You have a lot of presets that you can use, and apart from the other that you can create on your own. Now, we dedicated a lot of guides and also a video course about materials in Blender and also architecture. So if you are interested, just go and check it out in the channel. So right now, all I want to do is go here to edit and go to preferences because this is an add-on, but likely we can activate this add-on directly in Blender. We don't need to download it and install it. Now, another useful add-on is Magic UV to set up the materials once you apply them and change the size, the rotation, and scale, but we talked about this in another guide. Now, I'm gonna click on the X here and do another search. I'm gonna search for material library, and there you go. This is the one that you want. So right now it's off. You can see it disappear from the material panel on the right. So I'm just gonna turn it on again. And there you go. You can find it here in the materials at the bottom. So let's say that I change my mind about this material right here. And this is combined a multi-material object. So let me do something simpler first. So this is a single material. You can see right here, this is only concrete. Now let's say I want to change this. So if I click on the minus, I'm going to get rid of the material. And now if I click on new, I'm going to create a new one. Now you can go with you have here the preview and the basic surface parameters to define the material, like with colors and metalness, roughness, and so on. But if you go all the way down, you find these libraries, which are really handy if you want to do this something real quick and easy again. So you have a lot of materials here that you can use. And by the way, this is not templates. You have two options here, templates and sample materials. And here I'm getting these materials from the sample materials library. So for example, here I have ceramic. So all I need to do is select the object and then apply to selected. And there you go. As you can see, ceramic is pretty white. And then I have like, let's see something more complex. Let's do a metallic paint. Okay, so you can see that really easy we have. And also another interesting thing about this is these are really not heavy compared to other material that you could create with texture. These are really not heavy. And if you want to see how they're composed, you can go in the shading mode, and this is like the one that we're seeing right now. Actually, this is in the world, so let's get into the object. There you go. So it's pretty complex in a way, but it uses like procedural textures, procedural maps, not real textures. So this is what is going to keep them really light instead of being really heavy. So when you have a multi-material like this, it's even easier because you already have material applied here. So let's say I want to change that glass, which I made like a mirror because I don't really have an inside. So in order to hide what's inside, it's better to use a mirror. But let's change this into a glass. So I select the object, look for that particular glass, which is this one here, and then just change it with one of the material library VX. So I'm just gonna go all the way up, and you have this basic glass right here. So I'm going to add it, apply to the select. There you go. So now I can see the inside, even though it's not so interesting, but it's just to show you an example. And then you have other materials here like glasses and wood planks. So you can apply them or wood boards. You can apply and see them. Now you can see the mapping here is not really good. So the next thing we should do is define better the mapping. You can use the UV mapping tools in Magic UV add-on. And again, we explained that in another video. Or we can just go directly to the material in the shading interface, select the material, and look for the mapping node. So this is where you can like change the scale and rotation and so on. But this is gonna be covered in another video, so just look for that video in the search bar. In the channel, you won't find anything that you're looking for. If you don't find it, you can write and ask for a specific feature, specific video. Now I'm gonna stop right here with this, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated, and if you want to thank us, support us, please join the channel as a supporter. And check out other courses and guides that you find in the channel in 3D architecture and so on. So thanks for watching, see you in the next